Today I will be reviewing for you the thisworx vacuum cleaner that is great for your car. Let's go ahead, open it up and see what's on the inside. So this is how it looks on the inside, and now let's go ahead and get everything out. Now the first accessory that you see over here is this one that comes with the brushes. Next thing is the filter, a little brush. Here is a crevice tool. Here we have the vacuum itself. So as you can see, it already comes with the filter installed. And it comes also with an extra filter for your future use. Now, it also comes with a bag. And to empty your thisworx vacuum is very simple. All you have to do is just press right on this button right here. This piece comes out. Then you'll want to remove the filter and dump out whatever you have here. Now whenever you are done with this filter, then you can just simply install the new filter right in there like that. Now you can also wash the filter in order to prolong the life of it. This is what this small brush is for. So if you just wash it with mild soap and water and gently just remove all of the dirt. Now, as far as for installing the tools, very easy as well. Right here, I have the crevice tool. All I have to do is just place it right here on the inside, and that is pretty much it. Same thing for the brush tool. And this is great, especially if you have fabric seats. This is going to work very well on it. And now, the nozzle. This is really great to get into those really tight areas right on the side of your car and right on the bottom that it's really, really hard to get your hands down there. But this tool right here is going to help you out and get rid of all of the dirt and trash in those areas. So this is pretty much it for the thisworx car vacuum.
Yeah, I cleaned this up really nicely. Hey, my name is Reese, and I got potato chips here that I want to crush up and show you how well this vacuum cleaner works. This is the ASTROai car vacuum cleaner. They did send this to me for review, full disclosure, but everything here is my own opinions. When you purchase this car vacuum cleaner, you do get 3 HEPA filters. It does come with one already installed in there. It comes with this nice extension tube and a little brush to clean things off. It comes with this, I don't know what this is called, to get into crevices, like a crevice tool, which is handy, or you would just want to straighten up this end where you want to suck things out of. And it comes with a brush. This is our family van. We have 5 kids, so there's always plenty to clean up, but I wanted to crush some potato chips up to show you how this thing works. When you plug it in with the super long cord, this cord is 16 feet long, actually a little bit longer than 16 feet, so it'll fit to the front of your car or the back of your car. I actually have it plugged into my portable power station here, so I can show you how much power it's using. Pretty good job. Let's try it with this attachment. Now let's try with the extension hose. Now in terms of current draw, it's drawing about 95 watts, which at 12 volts is about 8 amps. So this thing is really packing a punch in terms of power. Yeah, I cleaned this up really nicely, especially with this brush attachment, rubbing it like this on the carpet. I did a really good job. A few things to point out about this is that you do get some blue lights when it's plugged in to show you that it is plugged in. You can switch it to a white light so you can see things at night. That's really hard to show here during the daylight, but it is decently bright and you can see what you're vacuuming up. The handle is very nice. We got the orange version. To empty this thing, just push this button and then you can take out the filter and then dump this out. And it's easy to put that back together and clean up your car even more. So this is the ASTROai car vacuum cleaner.
I was looking for a little vacuum for my car and I came up to this on Amazon. It comes in this nice case, everything inside here, and the nice thing about this is that you don't need to power to like to an electric plug, but just to your car plug. So that's quite nice, and it comes with a bunch of accessories. So I'm gonna install it and show you how it works. What I love about this is that it comes in with a super long cable and the attachment here. It's so right now easy. I'm gonna try it out. Let's just attach it, and this is the vacuum. As you can see, it already captured a lot of dust and works great. You just attach it to your car and it's a nice portable vacuum for your car. Inside you get also an extra filter and extra tools to make your car cleaning easier. I will definitely keep this in my car whenever I need to clean it from some dust. You cannot do real car detailing, but you can use it to do most of the jobs. It's great to have in every emergency. If you spill something in the car, it's great, portable and easy to use.
Not shown earlier, there also is an extension wand as well. So I'm going to demonstrate all of this to you. So here's the vacuum itself. I want to show you how it kind of goes together and how the dust is collected, all that. So you have your power switch here, very simple like that, on and off. Button here, and on the other side, squeeze, and the whole thing comes off. All of your dirt is going to be collected in here. What you can do is you can take this right over the garbage can, turn that, pull it out, and all of your dirt you can shake out, and then it just fits right back in. The filter is in here. This, you just stick your finger in there, pull the whole thing out, just like that, and the filter is right here. Just wiggle that, that comes out. The filter can be cleaned off with a little brush they gave you, and you can also wash this, let it dry naturally, and it's ready for reuse. Then when you're done, it just clicks back on, snaps back together, and you're all set. Here is where you attach whatever you want. So if you wanted the brush, you could do that, and then you would go, let me move these out of the way over here, you would go and vacuum like this. So you're kind of having to look over the front of this, yes. You can also turn this at an angle if you wanted to go that way. That might work better for you. So it's articulating as such. So that's one option. You can also go straight, and then we can take that off and just flip it around, and you can use it kind of in a more conventional manner like that. You also have the extension piece over here, so that can fit in. Then you can put that on, and now you have a much longer piece, as you see here. Now, of course, you can do the same thing with the crevice tool, like that, so that can go in, and you can vacuum like that. And they also give you the hose. If I get that here carefully, that can plug in, and the other end of it, right over here, we can put the crevice tool in that, and now you have a hose like that, and you can use your crevice tool or your brush or anything like that. So all that is in a nice tidy package like that. The vacuum itself, the motor in here, is 150 watts, produces 7.5 kPa of suction, and runs at 32,000 RPM. Let's go ahead, take this out to the car, and I'll do a quick example of vacuuming with it. By the way, the cord on here is 16.4 feet, so it should reach even the back of your oversized SUV. It looks like the styrofoam monster has paid me a visit, so let's try to clean that up. It seems to be doing just fine. As far as the little grass bits and that's all ground into this carpet. A vacuum like this is more suited to stuff that is on the surface and not ground in. These mats are forever old. But whatever's on the surface, it seems to do just fine. If you got kids that leave crumbs and stuff like that, we use a little crevice nozzle. Sets it right up without any trouble at all. Even in the cracks there, does fine. And like I said, everything is stored right in there like that to be emptied out later.